To set up family space in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open the Family Space app on our Motorola device. And then we can click on Create a Family right here. Also, there's Join Family, so keep that in your mind that this option is right here. It allows other people, your other family members to join your family space. So when we have that, let's click on Create, and then we'll be able to see our family screen. So right now I'm logged into my account and it says Hi Gamer, which is my name on the account that I'm using. And now finally right here you'll be able to click on the plus button to add other family members. You can enter their name and adjust their picture, and then will you be managing Hue devices? Yes, I'm managing this device. Is your child's device Android or iOS? You can choose whichever option you like, for example Android, and then you can generate, for example, a QR code, and that way if you want to join this family on the other device of your child, you can click on Join in the Family Space app, then select the QR code and scan the QR code that will show up right here. Now when it comes to using this app, there's a few different features. For example, you can share your location so that you can know, so that other family members can know where you are exactly. You can activate location tracking, check the screen time for how long your children are using different apps. You can manage parental controls, share responsibilities, and manage family members. So that is how you can set up the family space. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.